I've got a quick question for you. So, are you the type of person that believes in good luck and bad luck? Or are you the type of person that believes that you actually have the power to create your life, your experience? Well, if you're the type of person who believes that you can be a conscious creator or an unconscious creator, if you're actually ready to take charge of your own life and to create the life you love, then I've got a workshop for you. I'm Lisa Goodwin, and I am a professional life coach, speaker, and international yoga teacher for decades. I was blessed early in life with teachers that taught me the power of mind. And in this workshop, I'm calling it Create the Life You Love, and I'll be sharing with you a specific formula that will help you to attract the people, places, and things in your life that will actually help you create the life you love. I'll also be teaching you the power of the subconscious mind and how you can access that power through creative visualization. I'll be teaching you specific techniques to shift negative thinking patterns. And before the workshop's done, I will teach you the do's and don'ts of creating an effective vision board. It's so much more than just cutting out pictures and pasting them on a board. So I really look forward to sharing this workshop with you. And by the way, if you do happen to be that type of person that believes in bad luck and good luck, I still think you should take this workshop, because I guarantee your luck will change for the better. Look forward to seeing you soon, and you can register at our website below.